Now I'd like to talk about Invasion of the Christmas Crabs for trombone, especially starting with number 17, 18, 19, and then again at 37, 38, 39. We have a series of notes. We have F and B flat in 1, then E flat and A flat in 3, and then D and G in 4, and then we go to C. That happens also in measure number 37, 38, and 39. It sounds like this. Ready, and breath, 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 breath. Okay, so that happens twice, very important. Okay, now I'm going to start from the beginning. 1, 2, ready, play. Rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Rest, rest. 2, 3, 4. Rest, 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 rest. Down, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 2, 3, go. Rest. 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 3, 4. Rest. 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 Rest.